everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's a brand new day, so let's make the best out of it. And I have a new series coming up because I have so much glue, and I have instant snow powder, and I have paint, and I just have tons of glitter. So I'll be adding too much series, and just look at my cloud slime. I love this. This is my first batch ever of cloud slime. And some of this, probably this much is for Gabby's present. And sorry, it's pink. I don't have any white slimes. It's like a light pink. But for now, this is mine, so I love it. No slime of you, but yeah, I'm too much because I have 2 gallons of glue. Soon coming up 5, and also I'll do I also have tons of containers, so I can do making big batches. And yeah, this is like my life right now. I'm actually really thankful I got Orbeez so I could do adding weird things into stuff too. Or just adding too much, because Orbeez you can add to slime. So yeah. So that was just my announcement. And I'm sorry, I'm gonna post the video of my second Christmas. Yeah. So oh, and Jenny, you also get some cloud slime too. Do you want me to make a cloud slime right now? Yeah? Okay. I will. For you, Jenny. Start off with like this much. So then you get some activator. Say hello, I'm making an announcement that I'm going to be starting a new series calling Adding Too Much Ingredients into Slime. Today's Christmas, so Merry Christmas again. I just need to eyeball my activation on the instant snow. And I'm going to add some water. Mix it up until it comes fluffy. Also kind of a tutorial, but whatever. Pour a ton on. And then just start mixing. Just get all the stuff left on the table. After a while, you will see it comes together. But I'm still working it. Okay, that looks like a good amount. Yep, that looks good. Actually, Gabby, I'll make you another slime. I like that one too much. It's my first batch and it's my favorite batch. And it does get sticky because it's water. Water melts slime. So you just go ahead and add an activator if you need to. So it's supposed to feel. Okay. So it does feel right now. For instance, no. Oh, and guys, I am so excited because my brother, he got me a singing lesson. He got it so I could do singing lessons. Like, it's really nice. I love him to death. I think I added too much activator, but it will still work. I just love this slime. Not this one, though. Yeah, I'm just being honest. Just just add the rest. Mix. We'll need. Mix/need. I don't know if you can see it in real life, but this slime, like in camera, but this slime looks really is actually really creamy. I'm not sure what it looks like on camera. See? Oh, and Alicia, you're also gonna get some cloud slime for Christmas present. And also Evan will get some. Those are the only people though. Unless like I forgot someone. James, you might get two. And yeah, it's ready. See, it's ready. It's really creamy like this one. This one's still more creamy. Just gonna mix them. Because you know, it's both like the same texture. Oh my gosh. So good. I can't stop playing with this. This is just too good. Well, I'm going to have to end this video. I don't want to. But I have to. Oh, it looks so good. And this is all the instant snow I have. But I also got $30 yesterday. So I could probably go off and buy more. And if I need to, which I know I won't, I could buy more glue. Which I already have 2 gallons. So I don't need to. And I'm getting 5 more, like in about 2 hours. 3 hours. So yeah, that would be it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you're in my class. Join my giveaway. You have to subscribe. You have to like 3 of my videos. And you have to comment on this video. I subscribed, and you'll be entered in my giveaway, which ends January 1st. For a slime, and only if you're in my class. Sorry, I have short resources. I can't send it out. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.